Am I the only one that feels like Supreme is back like it never left? Today we're gonna go over my 5 pickups from Supreme week 1. This is probably gonna be a video that's on the shorter side, but that's okay. If y'all end up enjoying this one, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, let me know what y'all are up to today. Don't forget to click the Gleam link in the description if you want to win a free pair of Jordan 1 Low black toes in your size. All you have to do is hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow NORI, and DM me proof. Within 2 weeks, you'll be able to choose your size for a pair of Jordan 1 Low black toes. Previous years, I'd be spending like $400, $500, $600 on Supreme week 1. Kept it a little bit more modest. I picked up like 5 items, actually shit that I wanted to wear. So we're gonna go ahead and open these pieces, throw them on, see what they're looking like. This box came today, so might as well start here. Are y'all excited for this season? This week, when I'm recording this, the dunks are gonna drop, so I'm actually excited to see if I can pick up a pair of those. First package, I have 2 pieces in here. Bing. Okay, we got the Supreme box logo sticker, infamous. Whoa, I didn't know they're giving mini Supreme box logo stickers. These are actually fire. Did we get any of the matches? I don't even know, bro. We got a fitted and we got a tee. No matches. Damn. Might as well start with the Holy War tee in ash gray size large. I'm gonna open this one because I'm planning on keeping it. The front of this one basically just says Holy War. Back says David LaChapelle with the Supreme box logo. Then at the bottom you have pretty much war going on, battle between good and evil. Right hand side you have God with the sheep and stuff. I thought this was a clean design because it shows the spiritual war that we're in nowadays. Y'all know me, I be on my woke shit, so this goes right up my alley. I love this ash gray. I might actually take this on my trip with me. I'm gonna throw this one on. We gonna see what it's looking like. I'm not gonna lie, the quality on this shirt does not feel like old Supreme. I don't know if they switched their blanks maybe, but the neck collar's a little thinner. Feels like a thinner shirt. Maybe I'm tripping, but this quality does not feel the same. Holy War on the front, graphic on the back. Let me know if y'all feeling this tee in the comments. But second up, we have the Global New Era fitted in black, size 7 3/8. This could easily go wrong. I forgot that my head is like a 7 3/8 to a 7.5, and Supreme fitted sometimes fit weird. This 7 3/8 is tight as shit on me, but then there's some that are bigger. This fitted has the box logo on the front with the world map having stars. Everywhere there's a Supreme store around the world. I think that's pretty sick. Something different. World famous on the back as usual. That's pretty hard. Actually feeling this one. First things first, take the tag off. Okay, see, this one fits me good. Not too tight, just curve the brim a little bit. It'll be feeling smoother around the head. I honestly like this one even more in person. I feel like it's super clean. Glad I ended up picking this hat up. It's a vibe. Let me know if y'all copped this one, and if y'all did, what color did you go for? For me, it was this or the baby blue color. In the second package, I had 3 more pieces. I'm trying to look around and see if I got some stickers. Another mini Supreme box logo, regular BOGO, and the Gotham sticker, which I love this sticker, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Let's pull out everything we got. Once again, no toothpicks. They played me. Here's what we got. I'm gonna pull one of the tees first. Skeleton tee in faded blue, size large. I think I'm gonna end up keeping this one as well. I honestly love the 3 tees that I ended up getting. Material on this shirt feels better than this ash gray. Off the rip, I could already tell. Look at the difference in the neck collars. This blank almost feels like it's a Hanes shirt or something, not nearly as good quality as this, which is crazy. This tee has Jack Skeleton on the front in black on this faded blue shirt. I honestly love this colorway. I don't think I have anything from Supreme in this tone of blue, so it was a no-brainer. Initially, I saw this in the brown or the black colorway. This blue just takes the cake for me. I love the way it looks. It's something clean, simple. Let me know if y'all copped this tee. It was my second favorite tee that released. This is what the skeleton tee looks like. I honestly love this tone of blue. They don't normally drop stuff in this color. Quality on this skeleton tee versus the Holy War is completely different. I don't know why they decided to go with this material on this tee. Just a cheap shirt for the Holy War. Definitely love the material on this one. Feels way smoother to the touch as well. So this is a banger. I love this color, and it might just come with me to vacation. We also picked up the torch. Didn't know it came with a lighter. I wonder if the lighter has the Supreme logo on it. I guess we'll find out in a second. The refillable torch. I honestly expected this to be a little bit bigger, but it's Supreme. What can we say? Lighter does not have Supreme on it. This is pretty much it. So this top part opens up. You fill this with gas, and then you put this inside of there. So when you click it, it'll have torch vibes. That's pretty much what it is. Supreme torch. I'm glad I got it in the black. It's pretty cool. It's not too big, but I feel like it's perfect size. You don't really need a big ass torch. If you're trying to light your hookah up or some shit like that, whatever you're trying to do, fireworks with this for July 4th would be hard. I'm gonna see how I can get this to work. If I do manage to put gas inside the lighter and then put the lighter in here, I will show y'all in a separate video. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel because we got way more content on the way. But we did pick up the torch in black. Last we have my favorite tee, which was the Gotham design in the black. This one definitely staying in my collection. I could throw this bag out right now, bro. This design is sexy. If I was gonna pick one item up, it was gonna be this right here. I love the fact that it has the Twin Towers, Empire State Building inside the Supreme. It's just a simple Supreme logo on a tee, but that's enough for me. Slight bars. It doesn't need to have nothing too crazy for me to like it. This Supreme tee is beautiful in my opinion. I'm excited to throw this on with the fit. I'm low-key debating on bringing this one on my vacation as well. I might bring these two. I don't know how I feel about that ash gray tee. Did y'all sleep on this Gotham tee, or was it a banger for you as well? I'm gonna try this one on. If y'all enjoyed this video so far, make sure y'all leave a like on it. Let me know if you're excited for Supreme this season. Do y'all think they're gonna disappoint, or is it gonna be up to par with our standards? For me, at least week 1 and week 2 with the dunks, pretty solid. We just gotta see where it goes from here. Kind of tight that I didn't get the cinnamon toothpicks, but it is what it is. Yeah, this tee go crazy. This one for sure coming with me on my trip. I love this Supreme tee, bro. Let me know if y'all slept on this one. I'm glad I was able to pick this up for retail. Honestly, if I wasn't able to pick this up, I probably would have slept on the whole Supreme week. These two tees were a must cop for me. Everything else, honestly, I could have done without. Even this fitted, but after I saw this in person, I fell in love with it. I love what they did with this hat. It's something different. Glad I picked it up. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite pickup. For me, it definitely has to be the Gotham tee. Also, let me know in the comments down below what you picked up from Supreme week 1. Or did you sleep? Did you end up picking the dunks up last week? Don't forget to click the link at the top of the description in order to win a free pair of Jordan 1 Low black toes. All you have to do is leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, follow one.nori on Instagram, and DM proof. The winner will be able to pick their size for these as well. I wish y'all the best of luck. Let me know what else y'all would like to see on the channel. As y'all see, consistent Nori is in the building. We ain't slacking no longer, bro. I've been trying to go crazy and it takes a lot of effort. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. It takes a lot of time out of my day, so the least y'all could do is leave a like on this video. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for coming through and showing love. Have a great rest of your night, day, whenever you're watching. Spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much longer we have left. You might as well check out this video right here because that's what YouTube is recommending you based on your previous history. You might be trying to delete your history, but YouTube know best. So make sure you click this video right here and I'm gonna catch you there. Peace.